Hello everyone, today let us talk about how to print Dargan models with Prinko 8K printer. Here are some models printed by this printer, and it is very easy to operate and the precision is very good. The small beard, fingers, and skin lines of the Dargan can be printed clearly. Now let's see how it works. Before printing, we need to prepare the following things. Gloves to protect the hands and skin, alcohol to wash the models, container for alcohol, UV cure light to post-cure the model, keep ventilation or wear a mask. As usual, we can get the model from this web, and search Chinese Dargan we can find it. It's here. We can see that we can print the whole model or we can separate the model and print it part by part. After downloading it, we can open it by the slicer software. We can preview it with different angles. Here are some slice tips for your reference. Firstly, find the best size and adjust the angle. We make it smaller here at the setting of 70%. So that the model size can fit the bed well. Here we rotate 90 degrees of the x-axis setting. After adjusting the angle, this helps us hide the support spots, so we can keep the important surface more smooth. Also, I choose heavy supports here and use 0.5 contact diameter, 0.6 contact depth. Also remember to use 0.6 up diameter. This helps us remove the supports more easily, and you can also use light supports but 80 or 90 density. We use the heavy supports, so we use 20% density and 30 degree supports angle. After that we can click at all supports. This helps us add the supports automatically. Secondly, preview the model and find the red area on and add manual supports. Because the red area means this position is more likely to fail without supports. The next step is reduce the supports, which is not necessary. We can click the support which its bottom is not red and press delete button to reduce it. If two supports are contact together, we can also delete one of them. Another tip is that when we move the mouse, we can see some black shadows on the surface. If the shape of the shadow is a circle, this means we also need to add supports here. After checking again, we can click slice and use the detect island button to check whether we can find some red area without supports. When finished, preview it again. If no warnings, we can export the model and begin to print it. Here I share the settings of my Prinko printer. The setting is depending on the resin you are using. Here let's enjoy the printing show and share the parameter for each resin. Remove it from the printer. After clean it with alcohol, we can cut the supports carefully. When the alcohol on the surface is dry, we can prepare some clean tap water, drop the model into the water. Turn on the UV cure light and rotate it by hand. Here we only need to cure 30 seconds or 1 minute. Finally, we can get a model with perfect surface. For the transparent resin and dual color resin, we can use epoxy resin to polish it and get shiny surface. You can try it.